Question number 5. From the choices given below, choose the equation whose graph are given in 4.6 and figure 4.7. This is 4.6 figure. So by using this figure, how I am going to find out which equation is suitable for this? Okay, let us see. With the help of these points only I am going to find out. Okay, so I am making a table for this one, for the given equation y equal to x. Here already the points are given. By using this point only I am going to find out which equation is suitable. Keeping the x value is minus 1. If you are keeping here x value is minus 1, so what will come? Y value is minus 1 should come. But here what is given? Minus 1 and plus 1 given. That's why this equation is wrong for my point. Go for next one. X plus y equal to 0. So for this one also you have to draw the table. Let us see this equation is suitable or not by the given points minus 1 and plus 1. So I am keeping here x value is minus 1. Let us see minus 1 plus y equal to 0. So y equal to minus 1 goes that side, plus 1. Y value what came? Plus 1. Yes, this point is right. Minus 1 comma 1. Go for 0 and 0. One more point. If I am keeping the x value is 0, the y value what will come? Let us see. Plus 0 goes that side. Minus 0. 0 minus 0. 0 only. So 0 came. So these 2 points are right. I already told you to draw the line equation. At least you have to find out 2 coordinate points. That's why I solved 2 coordinate points. That's why this equation is right, suitable for the given line. That's all. From this figure 4.7, I have to tell that which line equation is suitable for this. Okay, let us see. Like the previous question we are seeing, I have to draw the table for each line equation. Keeping the x value is minus 1. In x place I am going to keep minus 1. What you will get in for this equation? Tell me. Y equal to minus 1 plus 2. What will be there? 2 minus 1, that is 1. Y equal to what? Plus 1 should come. But here what is given? 3. That's why this line equation is wrong. Then go for this one. This equation I am going to make the table. Okay. Let us see. I am keeping the x value is minus 1. What will happen? See. Y equal to minus 1 minus 2. The answer will be minus 3. Minus 3. But here what is given? Plus 3. That's why this equation also wrong. Go for the third one. For this also you have to draw the table. Let us see what will happen. Keeping the x value is minus 1. Keep that. Y equal to minus already given in the equation. So minus x value what I have taken as minus 1 plus 2 minus into minus, that is plus 1 plus 2. Your answer is what for y? 3. 3 I have written. So the first point is right. Check one more point also, because I already told you to draw the line you must find out 2 coordinate points. So I am going to find out for the next one. Keeping the x value is 0. Keeping the x value is 0. 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2, whether it is minus or plus, whatever it may be, 0 is 0 only. 0 plus 2, that is 2. Y equal to what came? 2. See, look here. This point also right. So this line equation is the suitable line equation for the given line. Thank you. Question number 6. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, express this in the form of equation in 2 variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. Also, read the graph. The work done when the distance travelled by the body is given here. The first option distance is 2 units and the second option is 0 unit given to you. You know that work done is equal to work done equal to force into displacement. Displacement. Here in the question, direction is not mentioned. That's why I am taking, in a place of displacement, I am taking distance here. Okay. In the question, here already the constant force value is given. Constant force is how much? 5. So displacement I am taking as x and the work done I am taking as y. Okay. So y equal to 5x is the equation. For this equation, I have to draw the graph. Draw the table for the given equation x and y. Here already given the distances. One is 2 unit, another one is 0 unit. So one is 2 unit I am taking, another one is 0. It is already given in the question. While reading that you can understand. So keep that x is equal to 2. So y equal to 5 into 2. What will be there? 10. So y equal to what? 10. If you are keeping the x value is 0. 5 into 0, what will be there? 0 only. So 0. Okay, that's all. I got 2 points for the given equation. You can draw the graph for that. Check that x and y values. X is 2, 0, up to 2 only it is moving. So 1 and 2 I have taken. Here 10, 10 and 0. 10 and 0 in that 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 I am taking in y-axis. 2, 0. 2 in x-axis, 10 in y-axis. So the point will come here. 0, 0, it will be very easy, 0, 0. Join these 2 points, you will get a line equation. Yes, I got. This is your line equation. Thank you. Yamini and Fatima, 2 students of class 9th of a school, together contributed ₹100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. The contribution as ₹x and ₹y. Draw the graph of the same. So first of all, for the given statement, I have to write a linear equation and I have to draw the graph for that also. So how I am going to write that? So first of all, I will write let the contribution of Yamini be ₹x I am taking. The same way the contribution of Fatima, here 2 characters are given. One is Fatima, another one is Yamini. So both contribution I have taken as x and y. Okay. They together contributed. Together means what you have to do? Add the contribution of Yamini plus the contribution of Fatima. All together how much money they contributed? ₹100. So x plus y, which is equal to 100. This is a required linear equation. For this one I am going to draw the graph. For that I have to find out the 2 coordinate points. Keeping the x value is 0. See, 0 plus y equal to 100. Plus 0 goes that side, minus 0. So it will be definitely y equal to 100. So I got. So the same way I am keeping the y value is 0. Plus 0 goes that side, minus 0. So 100 minus 0 is what? 100. So x is equal to 100 I got. So I got 2 points. With these 2 points I am going to draw the graph. It's very simple. 0, 100 and 100, 0. So maximum in x-axis 100 will be there, like y-axis 100. So directly I have taken 100 here in x-axis, 100 here in y-axis. So check now. 0, 100. 0 in x-axis, 100 in y-axis. So the point will be lie in y-axis because the x value is 0. Then go for Here 100 comma 0. 100 in x-axis, y value is 0. So the point will be lie on x-axis only. Why the point is lie on x-axis? The y value is 0, that's why. Join these 2 points, that's all. I got a line equation. Thank you.